I've received from, I think this company from Kapong. I purchased at around 145 ringgit minus coins from Shopee, and I get it around 136, 38, something like that. Yeah, luckily I purchased that one before the average price go up to 145 to 150 ringgit. Yeah. So without talking, let's see what's inside. Um, the five. Oh, that's bad. I mean the box. But overall, we want the inside, not the outside. So this is the box. It's in Chinese language. Of course, we want to have the global. We have to wait for next month, I guess. Yep. Nothing much. Just black. You have the black sticker to seal the box, the opening. I'm just going to unbox today, not the review maybe next time. Oh god. So if you guys interested on review, let me know. The charger, the magnetic charger. Ladies and gentlemen, the band itself. See, got juice in it. What else? The manual, still in Chinese language. Nothing else. Let's see. Last time I purchased is Mi Band 2. The Mi Band 3 I only test but not use. So far I think that is the most advanced Mi Band. Right now, wow, you can see it's in Mandarin, of course. I have to connect. I like the OLED display. It's so sharp. Just like my Apple Watch. I do have Apple Watch, but Series 2 only. Now I'm using Android, so I have to change. I mean, I cannot use it. See, compared to my, let's see, to compare with my Casio F91W, the size comparison. See, on a wrist, give it a wrist shot. I don't know how the how comfort compared to the previous generation Mi Band. I think it is like slightly soft. Yep. I have a very small wrist, so yeah, I think it's okay on my wrist. So get the back, and yeah, so I'm only going to just unboxing this band. If you are interested on me reviewing, maybe give me a little bit, like 1 or 2 days experience. The charger, the magnetic is, yeah, strong. Yep, so that's it. Thank you, I see you in the next one.